Today, I have a very special treat for you. I'm taking you to explore a huge attraction in Hanoi. Stay until the end of this video because you're not gonna want to miss this. Now, I'm gonna take you through the Hanoi Market, which is very equivalent to the Benten Market in Ho Chi Minh. This is the outside, but right now, I'm gonna take you to Chợ Đậu Xuân. Let's head inside. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are on a mission today. I need to buy some sunglasses because my sunglass kind of broke, or will break because I lost a screw. And also, if I can buy some socks, I'm gonna buy some socks because I have no more socks. Oh, they're closing? How do they know? What time is it? It's 5:20. They shouldn't be closing. So definitely, I have never been here before. So I'm going to give you my honest, in-depth review of Chợ Đậu Xuân. Ooh, they are closed. What? Ooh, this is ooh. Did I hit the wrong time? It's usually supposed to be open, but as you can see, it's kind of almost closed. Ooh. Hey, maybe we'll have to come back another day. Ooh. Okay. NANI? These are cool. Maybe I'll get Josh one. This is King Piccolo. King Piccolo. Right here. Cubone. Yo, you want Cubone? That's nice. Chợ Đậu Xuân is a historic market in Hanoi, Vietnam, famous for being one of the largest indoor markets in the city. Offers a massive selection of goods from local crafts, souvenirs, to fresh produce and electronics. And if you're looking for a manufacturer, this is a good place to scout for wholesales. Yep, so here, I'm thinking that this place is kind of like a Benten Market, but so far it's kind of not. It's kind of like a very, very cramped up version of Chinatown Center, but not really like a market, but it's not really like Benten. It's kind of like, yeah. But they do have some nice stuff. It's a lot more closed space than it is open space, which is, I keep bumping into people. I don't want to body check them. Okay, you see this? You see this? I'm avoiding this. It's like a bootleg Vegeta. It's not real. If it's, I'm okay with buying that. If it's like, if it looks semi legit. Look at Hello Kitty. Yes. The thing is, like, I would want to look at all of them, but the problem is, it's kind of cramped up, and I kind of don't want to make my way to go there all the time. You know what I mean? Like, it's a lot of trouble for me to kind of like go in a corner right now. What I'd like to get. So, so there are some Gucci bags and Versace, a lot of shoes here. Shoes. Let's see what they got in terms of backpacks. This is
connected.
I'm sold. I'm gonna get that. I'm sold.
Disconnected.
I secured the goods. $7. Show you. You want some of this? You want some of this? I might. Okay. Hello. Cái bịch này bao nhiêu vậy? 700 hả? 700. Isn't that kind of high.
Yeah.
I think a Benton was like a little bit cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I bought a Bluetooth speaker that I'm gonna roll up with me when it comes to like scooter, and I'm gonna play that everywhere I go. So one of the things I noticed in Hanoi is everybody is super surprised when I speak Vietnamese. Now, I don't know why, but I guess there's not a lot of Vietnamese tourists that come here that can speak Vietnamese. That's kind of what I've asked. And a lot of people say that Viet Kieu, as in Vietnamese, the Viet Kieu is a term that people use here for Vietnamese blood that's born abroad outside of Vietnam. So there's a stereotype that Viet Kieux cannot speak Vietnamese because they're less cultured. I think that's completely wrong. As you can see, this is different than Bun Tan Market because everything is so cramped. I'm literally bumping into everybody I go. And also I'm wide. I'm really wide. So I'm really wide and I just tripped on some shit. Traffic everywhere I go. It doesn't really matter if it's inside a mall or if it's inside, yeah. In terms of food, you're not gonna get food from here. In terms of jackets and bags, yes you will. Yes you will. It's so cramped. Like this is basically the space that you get here. Oh, but for coat, not bad. Not bad. The clothes here are not bad, but I think this big cramped space, it makes you feel like you don't want to, like, you know, like want to buy things because it's so cramped. But the quality is good. The quality is not bad, depending on what you get. I think I understand why people buy from here. On YouTube, people buy stuff. What is what? Oh, puppies. Oh, this is where you get the fabrics for the, you can make the traditional, oh yeah, here again. Anywhere you can actually get custom clothing. Just a Hoi An, pretty famous for that. Since there's no food here, I'm gonna go venture out to find food. But this is the market. This here is all the customized clothing that you can get. Same thing, you probably take about like a day or two. The more you pay, faster the service is. So, if you want a Chanel scarf, here's a Chanel scarf. We'll go up one, yeah. Now, I doubt there's going to be food here. I don't think so. So there's suits here. There's suits over here, and I'm gonna see if they have some materials that's slightly a little better than Hoi An. I don't know. So is there any North Face bags that you think that? I saw some, but not as much as. Yeah. So I don't mind getting Gucci or Versace socks if I see them. There's Adidas. Gucci shorts, that definitely not Gucci shorts. I found a break all the way upstairs. There's the mini crossing from Xuan Market. Xuan Market, that's where I came from. I went to the other one. I'm gonna go here now. But this is a nice break outside. And this is where you can see people take photos. Go into the other market. Let's see if there's anything different. So this market right here so far has more space. Has more walking space. Somewhat similar items. Somewhat. Cargo pants. Oh, but here they have leather jackets. They have leather jackets here. They have what's that? Dolce Gabbana kind of leather jacket. It was Dolce Gabbana, but it is Gucci. The Gucci. We're entering the cramped space. Okay, now that I'm inside, it's a little bit but honestly, these fur coats are not that bad. This is definitely hustle and bustle of Hanoi. It's a Hello Kitty fur jacket. So I accidentally picked up kids pants. I thought it was gonna be like cool design for me, but I picked up kids pants, and they were too short. Oh, my stomach's rumbling. I am hungry.
Let's go again.
I am hungry.
There's anything.
There's no food here.
Right here.
There's no food here. Well, I bought the speaker, so that was one.
True.
That's not too bad. You can buy belts. You can buy knockoff belts, sweaters, jackets.
Buy a communist uniform.
You can buy a communist uniform. You can do that right there. But here's the thing. I think the fashion for women here is a lot better quality, better made than men's. That's one observation I have to make. Because pants and shirts and sweaters for dudes is thin and they're just like baggy. They're not slim fit like how it is in North America. Now for women, it's more cashmere type of quality. It's more fur coats. There's more thicker material where nice skirts, long dresses. It's nice items for that. So if you want to shop and if you're a female, this place might be good for you. It's like a hidden gem. I know it kind of looks cramped up. I know it kind of looks too busy, but I think it's better. Now, do I want to buy something like that? Maybe. Now, Ho Chi Minh Benten Market, it's less hectic. I mean, give or take, but more things you can possibly buy in Benten Market. However, everything's a bargainer's market, so it does not matter where you go. You're gonna have to bargain to get that price. Now, what I find out in Hanoi, people are less. I don't want to say this in a wrong way, but pushy. It's not the right word, but Vietnam's a hustler city. Now, I'm gonna look for some food. This is the food. Street food tour. This is probably, you know what? Probably gonna eat here or right straight in front of me where like there's restaurants. So, all right. So we're heading back to the main city now. Main city streets. Gonna find some food. There is a smoothie bar right now. I might get one. All right. I found a place to eat. It's called TRUNG, and you didn't know this, but it is rated recommended on TripAdvisor, and there's tourists that's not Vietnamese. So let's go. Yeah, so we're gonna take a seat right here. Yeah. Now I don't know if they saw us, but we're gonna eat right now. So this is the famous Cà Phê Trứng, which is the egg coffee in Vietnam. This looks smooth like butter right now. This smooth froth. Let's give this a little stir. Very milky. Oh, jeebus. I got some beef with some toast banh mi, egg cappuccino, some spring rolls, some pho satay, basically. I'm gonna eat this right now and gonna be on my way. All right, let's see. Okay, the froth is good. A custardy dessert. So it tastes like cappuccino, custard cappuccino. That's what it tastes like. It's not bad. Do I feel like I'm drinking coffee? Not really. It's kind of like a dessert. It tastes like custard coffee. Like a custard egg tart into a very smooth blend of coffee, cappuccino. That's what it tastes like. I don't feel like I'm drinking coffee. This is straight up like custard cappuccino. Pretty good. Now, go on a boat. I hope I don't fall. So, this ride is about, I don't even know, it's about an hour ride, an hour to an hour and a half. It's been a while. It's been quite